Hey guys, so I got a quick video how to reset oil life after an oil change on a 2021 Chevy Silverado. Works on a lot of GM vehicles, Chevy vehicles, even cars. Very similar procedure, SUVs too. So first thing we're going to do is turn the ignition to the on position. Once it turns on, we're going to use this and over here and turn it. So turn it till it gets to the oil life. Press and hold, let it go, turn it to the left, press it one time, should be reset to 100%. After that, turn the ignition off, open the door, close it. You can start it, make sure it's been reset properly. It should show 100%. So very simple procedure, no special tools are needed. Sometimes you do your own oil change or somebody forgot to reset your light. Very easy procedure. Works on a lot of GM, Chevy, SUVs, trucks, big trucks, small cars. Same procedure, as long as it has the same instrument cluster. A lot of them have buttons over here or over here. If they don't, then this is the procedure. All right, hopefully this helps. Thank you for watching this video. Please support, like, and subscribe.